Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Wacom One display pen as an alternative for Samsung pen. I'm using this for my device Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. So as we know that S6 Lite S Pen does not come with extra nibs, which is a problem for me because where I live it's a bit tough to find those extra nibs. So I was looking for alternates and thankfully I found out about Wacom One display pen which you can use here, and as you can see it has perfect pressure sensitivity. So it works perfectly well with my device. It's really smooth. The pressure sensitivity is working really well, which you won't get with other Android styluses. Samsung uses the same technology as Wacom, which is why these EMR pens works the same. I really enjoy working with this pen on my Samsung Tab. Now I'm gonna show you how it works perfectly with the Samsung Notes apps. Samsung Notes app is really amazing. I love working with this app. It comes with different templates and backgrounds, and you can also download other templates. So here we go. As you can see, the pen is writing smoothly and also the palm rejection works as well. Palm rejection on this device is quite well. I'm really happy with this device, and the S Pen works perfectly as well. But this S Pen comes with a rubber nib. Other ones are plastic, so rubber nibs are really comfortable to write with, and for notes it's perfect, but for drawing I usually use it with a bit more force. So I kind of feel scared with the rubber nib because with a bit more force it will fray easily. So this is why I needed an alternative, and this is working perfectly. So I hope this helps. I'm attaching this pen's model number on the description box, so if you'd like to buy, please check the model number thoroughly, and you can find it in any Wacom store. These Wacom One display pens are available there. So hope this helps. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.